Hello friends, we are going to start a new chapter, that is a radiation chapter. What is radiation? First of all, definition of radiation. What is radiation? The transfer of energy, across a system boundary, by means of electromagnetic mechanism or waves which is caused by temperature difference. This definition is already discussed in the first chapter, radiation. It is very important chapter for the B section, right? And for the transfer of heat by the radiation, it can transfer in the vacuum also, right? So we have to discuss next surface emission properties. Surface emission properties, right? Surface emission properties. The rate of emission of radiation by body depends upon the following factors, right? The rate of emission, how much emission is done, it is depend upon the surface properties. First property, that is, it is depend upon temperature of surface. Second property, nature of surface. It is very important, nature of surface. And third one is wavelength of frequency of radiation. Wavelength of frequency of radiation, right? First of all, we have to define first total emission power. Total emission or emissive power, it is denoted by capital E, right? It is defined as the total amount of radiation emitted by a body per unit area and time, and it is expressed as watt per meter square. The emissive power of black body, according to Stefan Boltzmann law, is proportional to absolute temperature fourth power, right? What is total emissive power? It is defined as total amount of radiation emitted by the body per unit area and time. For the black body, it is E is equals to sigma T raised to 4. What is unit? Watt per meter square, right? This is for EB for black body. So we can write as EB is equals to sigma A T raised to 4. This is for unit area, and this is total emissive power for the black body, where sigma is equals to Stefan Boltzmann constant, and its value is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. This is the value of Stefan Boltzmann constant, right? Next we have to discuss another one, second definition, monochromatic oblique spectral emissive power. It is E lambda. It is often necessary to determine the spectral distribution of energy radiated by a surface. It is very necessary. At any given temperature, the amount of radiation emitted per unit wavelength varies at different wavelengths, because we have discussed the surface emission properties. In this, wavelength is very important point on which the emissive power is depend. So we have to calculate this monochromatic emissive power, right? Because for different wavelength, emissive power is different. For this purpose, the monochromatic emissive power of the surface is used, and it is defined as the rate of energy radiated per unit area of the surface per unit wavelength. The total emissive power E is equals to lambda integration 0 to infinity E lambda d lambda watt per meter square, right? So next point, emission from real surface. Emission from real surface, that is emissivity and emissivity, right? The emission from real surface is given as E is equals to emissivity sigma A T raised to 4 watt, right? Where emissivity is equals to this symbol is called as emissivity. Then define emissivity. What is definition of emissivity? It is the ratio of emissive power of any body to the emissive power of a black body. Or another definition, it is defined as ability of the surface of a body to radiate the heat. This is ability of surface to radiate heat, right? Or emissivity is equals to emissive power of any body divided by emissive power of black body. This definition will ask for the 2 marks, right? Then emissivity of a black body, perfect black body, is 1, right? So value varies from 0 to 1. For black body it is 1. For white surface emissive power is 0, and for the gray surface it is light between 0 to 1. Black body emissivity is equals to 1. For white body it is 0, and for gray bodies it is varies from 0 to 1. Another point or term, that is intensity of radiation. We discuss this later on. Radiation density and pressure. Next point, radiosity. It is denoted as J. And last one is interrelation between surface emission and irradiation properties. All these terms are very important for the surface emission, right? Next we have to discuss absorptivity. Next point, absorptivity, reflectivity, and transmissivity. This definition will ask for 2 marks. These are the simple definitions, right? Suppose let's take this is a surface, right, on which incident radiations are strikes or comes on this surface. The incidence radiation, it is called as G, right? When incident radiation G, it is also called as irradiation. It is defined as the total incident radiation on a surface from all direction per unit time and per unit area of the surface, expressed in a watt per meter square and denoted as G, right? जितने भी इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन आते हैं सरफेस के ऊपर पर यूनिट टाइम पर यूनिट एरिया, उसको इरेडिएशन और इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन बोलते हैं, राइट? देन दिस G then divides in the three parts, right? Some part of this irradiation reflected, it is called as GR, reflected. Some part of this will go transmitted, it is called as GT, or this is transmitted, and some part of this irradiation or G will absorb, it is called as GA. These are the absorb. मीन्स क्या होता है कि जब सरफेस के ऊपर रेडिएशन आते हैं तो उसका डिवाइडेशन 3 पार्ट्स में होता है. एक तो रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएंगे कुछ पार्ट में, दूसरे ट्रांसमिट हो जाएंगे और तीसरा एब्सॉर्ब हो जाएंगे, राइट? देन बाय द एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन GA प्लस GT प्लस GR इज इक्वल्स टू G, डिवाइडिंग बाय G ऑन बोथ साइड, then GA divided by G plus GR divided by G plus GT divided by G is equals to G divided by G. This becomes alpha plus rho plus tau is equals to 1, right? These are the new terms for us. So first alpha is equals to, it is called as absorbivity, and it is defined as the fraction of incident radiation absorbed, fraction of incident radiation absorbed. Next, rho is called reflectivity. What is the definition? The fraction of incident radiation reflect. And what is tau? It is called as transmittivity. This is fraction of incident radiation transmit, right? This definition will ask for 2 marks in our examination, right? I'll repeat this in a short. Suppose क्या होता है कि एक सरफेस के ऊपर जब इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन आती है, सपोज ये 100 आ गए तो उसमें से कुछ पार्ट रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा, कुछ एब्सॉर्ब हो जाएगा और कुछ ट्रांसमिट हो जाएगा. तो उसका जो है तो उसका टोटल कितना होगा? GA GT GR इज इक्वल्स टू G. तो हमने उसको डिवाइड किया G से, तो एक नया टर्म आ गया अल्फा रो एंड टाउ इज इक्वल्स टू 1. देन अल्फा इज इक्वल्स टू एब्सॉर्बिविटी. इसको क्या बोलते हैं कि 100 में से कितना फ्रैक्शन एब्सॉर्ब हुआ है, और रिफ्लेक्टिविटी 100 में से कितना फ्रैक्शन रिफ्लेक्ट हुआ है. दिस इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट. दीज क्वेश्चंस विल आस्क इन our examination for 2 marks, right. Very simple. You have to repeat this theory. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please ask me on phone.